Namaste student, खुश रहो बिटिया. As a been Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss in this subjects our topic characteristics of value. So, let us start the topic. The characteristics of value. Value are different of each person's. Now, these can be defined as ideas or benefits that a person's and hold describable or undescribable. The variability in that statement in first and what a person and could value, and second the degree to which and they value it. Values may be specific, such as harming one's parents and owning a home, or they may be more general and such as health, love and democracy, truth, prevalence, and love they and neighbors as yourself, and learning is good as ends, and itself are a few examples of general values. Individual attachments and personal happiness and materialisms are measures value of modern industry society, and it is defined as a concept of the desirable and internationalized and creations or standards of evaluations a person's process. Now, such a concept and standards are relatively few and determine or guide an individual's involves and of the many objectives encountered in everyday life. The characteristics of values are these are values these are extremely and practical, and valuations requires not just an techniques but also an understanding of the strategic context. Now, these can provide and standards of competence and morality. Now, these can go beyond and specific situations or persons. And personal values can be influenced by culture and traditions and combinations of internal and external factors. Now, these are more central to the core of a person. The most of core values are learned and yearly in life from family, the friends, neighborhood and school, the mass print and visual media and other sources within the society. Value are loaded and with effective and thoughts and about ideas, behavior and etc. They certain judgments and elements in that they carry and individuals' ideas as to what is right and good or disable. Now, types of value. There are two types of value. instrumental values and terminal values. They values are important to people trends to affect the types of decisions they make and how they prescribe their environment and their actual behavior. And there are two types of values. First one is the terminal value and second is the instrumental values. The first is importance of values. Values are enduring and beliefs that a specific mode of conduct or in a state of existence is personally or societally on the preferable, and these are difficult to change or alter. Now, as ethical conduct and receive more visibility in the workplace, and the importance is values in increase as a topic of discussion in management. Now, value is the foundations for understanding the levels of motivations. It influences our perceptions, and the values helps to understand that out and to be or what out and not to be, and it contains an interruptions of right or wrong. Now, and these influence attitudes and behavior, and it implies that the certain and behavior or outcomes are prepared and over others. These allow the members of an organizations to interact and harmoniously and these and make to ensure results to and reach and goals the world and be impossible to achieve individually. These are goals and set for achievements and they motives undefined and color all our activities and convectives, affectives and connective. Now, they are the guideposts of our lives, and they direct us to who we want to be. Now, these influence and attitudes and behavior, and it implies a certain behavior on outcomes are performed over others. Thank you, and this session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in problem solving. Thank you.